Prior to joining active politics, she was a lecturer at St. Anthony's College, Shillong, where she taught mass communication. With a passion to serve the people, Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdor has been elected as a member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for 4 consecutive terms from East Shillong constituency. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of accompanying the chief guests who will be taking salute 14 marching contingents is Sri Garrett LSN Dykes IAS, the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi District Nongstoin, and the Superintendent of Police of Nongstoin, Sri B.D. Marak IPS. And marching on this auspicious day are 14 contingents. The contingents are marching to the tunes and melodies played by St. Peter's Brass Band. St. Peter's Brass Band was founded on the year 1994 under the initiative of Sir Nongstoin with merely a 9-member band, and is currently a band of 22 members in the various wind instruments and percussions under the leadership of the same founder, Sir Nongstoin, as the bandmaster. Pala of West Khasi District Executive Post, Nongstoin.
Followed by platoon number 2, led by ABSI Toponglin Company of West Khasi Hills CEF.
Platoon number 2 taking salute is the 4th MLP Battalion Sorpian Nongstoin, led by ABASI Deepak Konwar.
Approaching the dais is platoon number 3, 4th MLP Battalion Sorpian Nongstoin, led by ABASI Suresh Singh.
Taking the salute now is platoon number 4, the MCC Nongstoin College, led by Mr. S.R. Marak, with a total strength of 27.
And the contingent is being led by Mr. Hanborlang Harbani.
Led by Mr. Boniface Karmau with a total strength of 22. Here taking the salute is Presbyterian Higher Secondary School from Sydney, parade contingent number 8.
Approaching the dais is parade contingent number 9, representing KJP Sinat Sakni Higher Secondary School, Nongstoin. The contingent is led by Ms. Ibatinkai Nongstoin.
With a total strength of
And now we have the contingent representing Anderson Higher Secondary School, Nongstoin. The contingent is commanded by Mr. Stephen Malvinier.
led by Mr. Perry Evans Lincoln with a total strength of 23.
Taking the salute, here we have contingent number 13 representing JNV Boys Nongstoin and is commanded by Meban Sharai K. Musulman. The contingent has a total strength of 27.
Last but not least, the parade contingent number 4 with a total strength of 27. Led by Miss Happy Bankinma Wanyam from JNV Girls, Nongstoin. Who will be addressing this gathering a short while from now.